Abortion will now move quickly to become outlawed in more than a dozen states.
Those states have so-called trigger laws that are in place, making abortion illegal the moment that Roe was overturned. Abortion will be banned in these 13 states, either immediately or in the coming days and weeks. In Kentucky and Louisiana and South Dakota, it did happen immediately. CBS 2's Chris Ty joins us now. Chris, even states without those trigger laws could be taking action to ban abortion very soon.
That's right, Jim and Marie. Indiana is not one of those states with a trigger law. So today in Indiana, abortion remains legal up to 22 weeks. But all signs point to that law changing, and quickly.
Indiana is a complicated state.
But it may become a less complicated and more conservative state quickly, if Indiana University law professor Jody Madeira is right.
I believe the state of Indiana is now going to act very quickly to make abortion regulations in this state more stringent.
Stringent and likely illegal. Today, Indiana's Governor Eric Holcomb calling the General Assembly back for a special session the first week of July. His expectations are unambiguous. He tweeted, "I have been clear in stating I am pro-life. We have an opportunity to make progress in protecting the sanctity of life, and that's exactly what we'll do." Indiana, part rural, part urban, is a red state. So why didn't they have a trigger law? Insiders say legislators didn't want to lose business from companies not wanting to be viewed as supporting states with extreme abortion laws. Now, an exodus of a different kind is likely to begin.
There's going to be unprecedented numbers of women going to Illinois and other states where abortion rules are more liberal to obtain safe procedures.
If states take even more extreme measures of criminalizing out-of-state medical procedures, Chicago's mayor says, watch out.
Then I'm going to use that same precedent to sue states like Indiana, like other states that are bringing illegal guns into my city and my state with reckless abandon and taking lives. So careful what you wish for in those other states.
It's unclear how far Indiana may go with all this. A full ban, a ban on certain medications or providers, make it more difficult to use telehealth or make it trickier for clinics to operate. Again, we will learn more when the General Assembly of Indiana. Newsroom, Chris Ty, CBS 2 News.
Chris, thank you.